Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the PowerWash Simulator game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PowerWash Simulator game on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, in order to optimize your graphics, click on the options at the bottom left. Now from the options page, click on graphics. And now you can choose from various different presets. Make sure that the correct resolution is selected. And if you notice any screen tears within your game, you can also turn on VSync. If your display doesn't support HDR, then it is a good idea to turn this off. And now within the rest of the settings, you can try by using the highest available preset first. Also choose the appropriate frame rate for your display unit. And at first, you should leave the render scale at 1. Now by choosing the highest available preset for all of the settings, you can now go back and your settings will be saved. Now just start your game and see how your settings feel. If you don't notice any issues, then you can continue forward with this setting. Otherwise, you will need to go back into the options page. And from the graphics preset, you can now try reducing the anti-aliasing as well as the texture quality presets by one single step. By doing this, for all of the other parameters as well, you can reduce the load upon your GPU. Try repeating this process until you find a good balance of performance and quality within your gameplay. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the PowerWash Simulator game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.